No problem, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into a phrase that you've likely heard quite often. No problem. This expression is widely used in English-speaking countries and can be a little confusing for learners. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also when and how to use it. So, let's get started. No problem is a phrase used to respond to someone who has thanked you for something. It suggests that the action performed did not cause you any inconvenience. Essentially, you're telling the other person that there was no trouble on your part, and they need not worry or feel overly indebted. But, no problem isn't just a response to thanks. It can also be used to reassure someone. For example, if someone apologizes for a small mistake, no problem can be a casual way of saying, "That's okay," or "Don't worry about it." The phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. In formal settings, with friends or family, no problem can be a friendly way to wave off thanks or apologies. Customer service. It's common to hear no problem in service-oriented interactions, where employees might use it to create a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. Workplace communication. In less formal work environments, no problem can be used to acknowledge a colleague's thanks. It's important to note, however, that in very formal or traditional business settings, some people may prefer the phrase, "You're welcome," over "no problem." In some cultures, saying, "no problem," can imply that there might have been a problem to start with, which isn't always a polite implication. This is why it's crucial to understand the context and the relationship between the people communicating. Moreover, no problem can be seen as too casual or dismissive in some situations, especially when a more sincere acknowledgement is expected. For instance, if someone expresses profound gratitude for a significant favor, a simple "no problem" might seem underwhelming. If you're looking for ways to vary your language or to be more formal, consider these alternatives. "You're welcome," the classic response to a thank you. "Happy to help" indicates that you were glad to assist. "Anytime" suggests that you would be willing to do the favor again. "It was nothing" minimizes the effort you put in, often used to be modest. And that's a wrap on the phrase, "no problem." We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and has given you a better grasp of this common English expression. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the context and culture in which they're used. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "no problem" when you feel it's appropriate. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.